Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from a Fanduel to Chime. Now first things first, I want you to launch up Chime and we need some details. So come here at the top left, click on this gear cog to access your settings. Now here under your settings you'll see your account information page, okay? You'll see your routing number and your account number. So you have to copy these two numbers, go ahead and copy it somewhere safe. Okay, and once you have copied these numbers, you have to go and open up your FanDuel app. And from here, what I need you to do is click on this account option at the bottom right hand corner. Okay, and after that, you can go ahead and click on withdraw funds. Okay, now once you do this, this will list many options that you can use to withdraw your money from FanDuel. So you need to go ahead and select on this one, online banking. And from here, you need to go ahead and first enter the amount that you'd like to withdraw. This will be your withdrawable balance, so you can only withdraw up to that amount. Okay, then you can tap and select from the banks right here. You need to select Chime, or you can just come here, search it up. If you don't see it, search for Chime, and then they'll ask you to log in. It's your online banking. Go ahead and do that, right? And you need to choose an account, so it's either between a personal account and business account. Once you've chosen that, chosen personal, go ahead and click on withdraw and you'll see your withdrawal would have been initiated from your FanDuel account and it should have been deducted and you should have your new playable balance. Okay, basically you receive your payment within 2 to 4 business days, right? Really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.